Hey, we're going on a little walk on the rails to trails today. Show you some of the sights. Going to check out a beaver tree, some turtles, some pretty flowers. See what else we see. Check it out. I'll give you a look behind me here. Look at that. That's where we're heading. Join me. So this little stroll was just to the north of Killbuck, up the rails to trails, up to the swampy area. A lot of neat things to see, the turtles and the frogs and everything. And so I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe and be notified for the next walk. Thank you.